dolls. I am back in Texas and your girl is tired. So tired. I had a good flight though. Everything, obviously, I'm on here. Everything went well. Grace and mercy. Thank God that everything went smooth. So I am now heading home, but I'm gonna stop off at Fresh Market because I don't feel like cooking. So I'm gonna get something that's already made to eat, and I think I'm gonna stop and get me a bottle of liqueur. So I can have me a nice little chocolatey drink, some strawberries, probably take a nice bubble bath and relax. I am not taking this stuff out the suitcase. Not doing that. I usually wash all my clothes up before I leave, so I'm just coming back with clean clothes, but I didn't do that this time. So, but I'm not getting ready to fool with any of that. I am literally going home, water my plants, well, check on my garden and water my plants, walk my dog. I'm so excited to see Max. I'm so excited. I missed him so much, y'all. Anyway, I'm going to walk Max if it's not too hot, because the ground sometimes is too hot for his little paws, and he doesn't have any little footies. But if I don't walk him, then I'm definitely going to play with him for a little bit, and I'm just going to call it an evening, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm just jumping around. That's that fatigue setting in. But there's this series on Netflix that I watched a few years ago, and I really couldn't get into it because I was working. Back then I was working a lot, and by the time I would get home, I just didn't even have time to watch any type of series. I turn it on with good intentions on watching it, but then it would end up watching me. So the series is called House of Lies, and so I saw that it's back up in rotation on Netflix, and I was like, oh my goodness, yes. So there's 5 seasons of it, and whew, I'm excited about watching that. I have to catch up on The Gilded Age, which I don't know if I watch it Saturday, because if I watch it Saturday night and then Sunday when the next episode comes on, I might do that. I might just start watching House of Lies and save The Gilded Age to Saturday. That sounds better. And while I'm at Fresh Market, I'll probably pick up a cabbage because I'm having this craving for this cabbage stir fry. Cabbage, sausage, and shrimp. Now, my sissy mother made this while I was there. It was like the first night I got there, and it was so good. And I think I'm gonna try to recreate it, put my own little spin on it, of course. Well, I think I have some rice at the house, but I'm gonna pick up the cabbage and I have to pick up the sausage because I know I don't have that. Everything else I have at the house, the fish sauce and oyster sauce, things of that nature. And I'm gonna cook that tomorrow. So, but anyway, dolls, so good to be back, and I will check back in with you probably tomorrow. I might take y'all in the store with me so you can see Fresh Market. I love Fresh Market. It kind of reminds you of HEB Marketplace, if you guys are familiar with HEB. For those on the East Coast, it reminds you of Wegmans. When I lived in Virginia, I loved Wegmans. So it's one of those stores, and I like grocery stores like that. It reminds you of Europe, how their stores are, their markets are, their grocery stores. So, but anywho, let me pop out for here and focus on driving, and I will check back in with you momentarily. Okay, dolls.
Oh God, I got fat.
I've
I got covered.
I met a new friend. I'm loving this vlogging and getting shown so much love. So this is Kyron.
Oh yeah.
And Kyron is a new subscriber.
Before she hits 1 million subscribers, or many million.
So say hi to the people, Kyron.
Hey people,
You're not gonna tell them about your channel?
I don't have a channel yet. I need to make a channel.
He needs to
when
make a
I make
channel.
a channel, it'll be Kyron Ford, Kyran.
Y'all got it, dolls. Kyron Ford. Get your ass on YouTube, Kyron.
I will.
Okay,
I
good
will.
to see you.